Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Lockout Tagout Tuesday. Hashtag Lotto Tuesday. Little series we started so that we can feature lockout tagout locks, the locks that keep our workers safe. Today we're going to talk about the 7240, the Abus Aluminium. I have shown you this lock before, but I've not picked it and I've not gutted it, so I'm going to try and do both today. First, I'd like to show you something about this lock. This, the 6 out of 10 security rating that Abus gives it. Now that means it's just over half as good as its best lock it's ever made, with a security rating of 10. This lock is made out of recycled aluminium, which is pretty cool, and there's its specs on the back. So it is a 6-pinner. The thing we're most interested in is that it does have a security rating of 6. So I'm going to rake this lock today with my Wrigley. There's the bitting, and this bitting is why this lock will be easy to rake. I'm going to be using a home brew tension tool made out of a wiper blade. Bottom of the keyway. I'll be using the homebrew Wrigley, I call it, it's a worm. Also made out of a wiper blade. So I'll show you just how easy this is to do. There we have it. It's open. Just as quick as putting the key in. Why is that so? It's because of this bitting. Not many highs and lows. The security pins in here don't seem to stop it at all. So let's gut this and find out what's actually inside. There we go. Got a bit of Loctite on that. Let's bring the pinning tray in. Pop the core out. That's what it looks like. Wow, it's tiny, isn't it? Okay. So, rule number 1, always shim. Put the key in because we can. Is it shimmable? The tolerance is too tight. Interesting. Can't actually get a shim in. That's a first. Okay, let's just go for the follower then. This is this one was given to me by Jake, 1973. So where have I got the key pins? Let's just find out first. Oh, you got to take the C-clip off. Oh, I didn't think about that. Okay. Grab a screwdriver. Let's see if we can get this off. That's why I couldn't shim it. You can't half tell I don't usually do guttings. Okay, let's try and shim this again. There we go. That works. Okay. Works well if you follow the system. Now I don't actually know where my key pins are. Looks like they might be there. Okay, that's done. It's quite a bit of stuff in there. Okay. Wow, it's so tiny, so tiny. That's why we were able to wriggly it. Put the wriggly in, because doesn't need to be lifted up very much. There's hardly any height needed, so as soon as I pop that in on top of the wrench, it's just lifted those key pins up to the shear and easy done. So let's pop these out, see what we've got. Core feels very nice. It's very nice and smooth. Let's have a proper look at these. They don't appear to have a bevel on the top of them. Right. Okay. Let's take the shim out. No, don't want to come out. Okay. It doesn't have to. I can just turn it. This could end up being a gutting disaster. We shall find out. Okay. This follower is so tight, it doesn't want to give me back my shim. There we go. Right, so let's see what's inside. Oh, you just shot out like a rocket. Whoa, that one just shot out like a rocket too. Okay. I'm not going to get the springs out. So what we have here, the look of it, some very nice spools. So in theory, they should help prevent what I did, raking, but they didn't. Reason being, because of the bitting on the key. That's a standard, so we've got 5 spools, 1 standard in the ABUS 7240. Well, that was an interesting gutting. Thanks for watching. I'll try and put this back together now. That's the inside. See the actuator there. And these can be bypassed with a bypass tool, called the ABUS bypass tool. But the one I've got didn't fit in the keyway. So I tried the Wrigley and it got in even faster. I was pretty impressed with that. So thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.